The Semitic languages are a branch of the Afroasiatic language family originating in the Middle East. Semitic languages are spoken by more than 330 million people across much of Western Asia, North Africa and the Horn of Africa, as well as in often large expatriate communities in North America and Europe, with smaller communities in the Caucasus and Central Asia. The terminology was first used in the 1780s by members of the Göttingen School of History, who derived the name from Shem, one of the three sons of Noah in the Book of Genesis. The most widely spoken Semitic languages today are Arabic, Amharic, Tigrinya, Hebrew, Tigre, Aramaic and Maltese. Semitic languages occur in written form from a very early historical date, with East Semitic Akkadian and Eblaite texts appearing from the 30th century BCE and the 25th century BCE in Mesopotamia and the northern Levant respectively. The only earlier attested languages are Sumerian, Elamite, Egyptian and unclassified Lullubi from 30th century BCE. However, most scripts used to write Semitic languages are abjads, a type of alphabetic script that omits some or all of the vowels, which is feasible for these languages because the consonants in the Semitic languages are the primary carriers of meaning. Among them are the Ugaritic, Phoenician, Aramaic, Hebrew, Syriac, Arabic, and South Arabian alphabets. The Ge'ez script, used for writing the Semitic languages of Ethiopia and Eritrea, is technically an abugida, a modified abjad in which vowels are notated using diacritic marks added to the consonants at all times, in contrast with other Semitic languages which indicate diacritics based on need or for introductory purposes. Maltese is the only Semitic language written in the Latin script and the only Semitic language to be an official language of the European Union. The Semitic languages are notable for their non-concatenative morphology. That is, word roots are not themselves syllables or words, but instead are isolated sets of consonants. Words are composed out of roots not so much by adding prefixes or suffixes, but rather by filling in the vowels between the root consonants. For example, in Arabic, the root meaning right has the form ktb. From this root, words are formed by filling in the vowels and sometimes adding additional consonants, e.g. kitab book, kutub books, katib writer, kutub writers, kataba he wrote, yaktubu he writes, etc.